It's that time of year again. Cold weather is just around the corner. Is your furnace ready for another winter? You're probably familiar with professional furnace checks, but do you really know what's done? A check involves over 20 technical steps. Here are two of the important ones. One of the most important things we check to keep you comfortable is your furnace filter. If you don't change your filter roughly every month, dirt will collect in your furnace. When this happens, your furnace can't move as much warm air into your home as it should. Next, to ensure your safety, we check for carbon monoxide leaks. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas that can be deadly. It can get into your home when your furnace's flame isn't adjusted correctly, or when there's a crack in your heat exchanger. Both your flame and heat exchanger need to be inspected. Your furnace works hard all winter to keep you warm. Be comfortable and be safe. Have your furnace professionally checked. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.